Good morning, friends. It's Joy with Wearable Geology, and today we're going to work on a stone that's going to help us with motivation. Have you been struggling with motivation? I know that sometimes it challenges me. In the past few days, I've been kind of wanting to chill a lot more, so I decided to call for a crystal that would really help with motivation. And this crystal is right here. So watch this video and we'll make a beautiful pendant, and I'll tell you the beautiful properties of this beautiful crystal. All right, see you soon. Get a closer look at this really pretty crystal up close. Native to my home state of New Mexico, these beautiful crystals are found along the Pecos River. I actually found this one. These lovely double terminated crystals will stabilize unsettled emotions. Look at that. Really nice to work with. Wearing them or meditating with them will bring feelings of joy to you, the wearer, and your surroundings. It's a light-hearted crystal that works on all 7 major chakras. They bring a sense of calmness, peace of mind, and will assist in creativity. So that's going to be fun since we're going to do something creative with it. So let's get working on it. All right, so I wanted to give a little update at where we're at. And I am using 20 gauge wire, and I'm wrapping it around, I'm using 28 gauge wire to wrap around a 20 gauge wire piece. It's gonna go similar to one of the pieces that I do when I do a solar quartz. Oh my gosh, this stone is super pretty. Whoever gets this is gonna be super lucky. One of the things that this beautiful quartz crystal native to New Mexico also does is it will help to motivate. It'll help to motivate us to new ventures, new ideas, or if we have a goal that's been playing around in our head, it'll actually start to put steps forward or help us to step forward towards those goals. This is a super cool stone. I like it a lot. So what I was doing with this is, because it's really hard, at least for me, to hold onto it, I'm wrapping the wire like this. Slowly. Typically when I have a wire that I'm wrapping around, I can twist the wire and do it, but not with this one. It's too thin for me, plus I have long nails and it gets kind of crazy. But anyway, I twist it and then I stop after I've done a few twists and then push it down so that it stays nice and clean and looks flush. Let's see if you can get that look. You can kind of see it. There we go. Yeah. So let's go ahead and finish. I have a little bit more to go. I used, I'm going to be using a foot of 20 gauge copper. And then I am going to be using, I didn't even do the math on this, so maybe I'll tell you what the 28 gauge was after I do the math. There you go, guys. Nice, clean, simplistic look. Came out pretty cool, I must say. When you wear this stone with other crystals, it will enhance the vibration of those crystals. Hold it in your hand and you can feel like it's joyous vibrations. When you wear it alone, it'll harmonize you quietly and gently. It calms stress induced by shock or trauma. This little crystal aids the wearer to detach from negative emotions and witness with compassion without judgment, allowing you to gain control over conditioned and repetitive negative reactions, helping you to consciously change that pattern, allowing you to break the cycle, activating your heart chakra, and aiding in letting go and learning how to accept. Each piece is Reiki healed and cleansed, completely ready for the wearer. So one of the things that I was thinking about doing, which I decided yes, I'm going to do, is that the first one to comment with the correct name of this crystal in the comments below will get this pendant for $14.99 and free shipping in the US. And the offer, I'm going to have it expire September 16th, 2020, or it'll expire if it sells sooner than that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joy, it's Wearable Geology, and please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I look forward to your comments below. And again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm dedicated to bringing you weekly videos and letting you know the powerful frequencies of Mother Nature's crystals. Again, guys, have a blessed week. This is Joy. Take care.